Hello, my name is Linda Diaz. I'm going to pronounce sentences in IPA. Let's begin. My parents live in San Juan. Every year, I go to visit them. Creation is the most beautiful thing I've seen. I can do everything in Christ who strengthens me. Each one chooses where they want to go. They are the window to the soul. My mom is a famous actor. I like to eat a lot of protein. For Christmas, the birth of Jesus Christ is celebrated. Nature is perfect. Love is a decision. Necrophilia, attraction that a person feels toward it and towards our aspect relative to it. The tulip is a symbol of sincere love.